It is the official season for mangoes, and I have a must-try dessert recipe for you. Hi guys, this is Ruchi. Welcome to Rajshri Food, and let's see the recipe for the special mango falooda. So the first step to make the mango falooda is to make the jelly. So first I'm going to bring 2 cups of water to boil. Turn on the flame. Once the water comes to a slight boil, I'm going to add in 1 packet of jelly. I'm using the strawberry jelly. You can use any flavored jelly as you wish. The water is starting to boil. Keep stirring till the mixture dissolves. Once the water comes to a complete boil and the strawberry jelly mixture has dissolved, turn off the flame and remove the mixture in any tray that you want to set it in. Let the mixture come down to room temperature and then set it in the freezer for about 45 minutes. The strawberry jelly is setting in the freezer. Meanwhile, let's prep up a little more. So next I'm going to boil some water in a pot. Turn on the flame. I have some Falooda Vermicelli over here, which is easily available. And what I'm going to do is, once the water comes to a boil, I'm just going to let it boil in the water for around 2 minutes and drain it out. Let's add the vermicelli. Give it a stir. For tips and tricks, stay tuned till the end. The vermicelli has softened, and boil them for precisely 2 minutes and drain out all the water now. Let them cool down completely. Meanwhile, let's do some other prep. So I have 2 cups of milk here. Into that, let's add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Make sure the milk is absolutely chilled. Keep stirring till the sugar dissolves. The milk is ready. And now I'm going to get the jelly out of the freezer. I'm sure it's set by now. The jelly is beautifully set. And now I'm going to cut it into small cubes. So pretty much all the prep is done. And now let's assemble a tall glass of falooda. So in your serving glass, you can layer it in whatever order you want. First, I'm going to layer some soaked basil seeds, a few cubes of jelly, on top of it some mango pulp, falooda noodles, milk, a nice dollop of ice cream, some mango pieces, some more pieces of jelly, some more falooda vermicelli, drizzle some more pulp, some rose syrup, dry fruits roughly chopped, and this is done. I've made another falooda recipe. You can check the link in the description box below. But this falooda is my favorite for the summer season. So do give this a try. Let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. To make a vegan version of this falooda, you can replace the milk with some almond milk and ice cream with some vegan vanilla ice cream. Also, instead of the noodles or the vermicelli, you can shred the mango into thin juliennes and use that as a garnish.